Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I want to share great news with you, which is Proclamation 152 just expired, is expiring today. If you remember correctly, I did talk about this proclamation travel ban particularly a lot. And so if you want to learn more, definitely stick around. Coming up. Alright guys, if you're new here, welcome, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell. So let's give you the overview about this particular proclamation 152. This proclamation was impacting J1 visas, L visas, and also H visas. So if you are impacted, if you were impacted and you were not able to schedule an interview because you are from countries, actually sorry, not countries, because you were impacted by this particular ban, right now you will be able to schedule your interview at the US consulate. And also keep that in mind that if you only need a renewal of your visa stamp, you don't need to actually attend interview in person. So, and by the way, I made a video, I will be linking the video here for you just to refresh your memory, because in that case, if you are only requesting renewals, you don't need to be present, physically present at the interview at the US consulate. Also keep that in mind that just because this travel ban is lifted, or in other words just expired, doesn't necessarily mean that you will be able to actually schedule your interview. Unfortunately, these are the news, because many of these embassies are resuming the services on post-by-post basis based on local conditions. And I know this is annoying for many of you, and I wish I can give you better information, but this is reality. These embassies are monitoring local conditions, and based on that, they are resuming their local visa services. So as far as I know, many of these embassies are still not resuming, for example, B visa services. Majority of US embassies are not resuming B visa services. However, the priority will be given to immigrant visa services, and obviously then other non-immigrant visas. And like I said, this particular ban, since it's obviously expiring, no longer there is going to be a ban to issue these visa types. However, keep that in mind that there is going to be a backlog. The wait time is going to be rather difficult in many of these embassies. And so if you actually need to travel to the United States, I highly recommend you consider expedite service, emergency appointment, as well as the national interest exceptions, especially if that's the case. Now, the national interest exceptions particularly is applicable to those who are being still impacted by the travel ban. The travel ban is the EU travel ban, if you will. That travel ban is impacting European Union countries, Schengen zone countries, Brazil, UK, Ireland, and so on. This hopefully will expire mid-May. And once that happens, then again, there is going to be no excuse for US consulates to actually start processing visas. However, again, keep that in mind that they are resuming these visa services based on local conditions, based on COVID-19 pandemic in your country. So all this is actually impacting the operation of the US embassy, and therefore we cannot exactly predict how this is going to unfold specifically at your US consulate in your country. However, these are great news, because many of you are actually stuck overseas because you cannot get that L visa stamp or H visa stamp, and you are certainly now going to be able to do that. Lastly, I want to mention that the H1B results, lottery results, are out, and so you will be able to check if you are selected, and if you can now submit your documentation, and if you can apply for your H1B visa this year. So certainly if you already applied, you already know what I'm talking about. And of course, if you need any help, guys, you are welcome to schedule consultation. The link is below how you can schedule consultation with me. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you like my videos, please do like them, share them with people who might need this information, and stay tuned for more immigration news and immigration updates. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.